Hello, good morning. Welcome to Moneyline. I have this 12 odds for you in tennis. So let's get started. The first game we have here is a game between Koboli Flavio taking on Rajovic Dusan, and my prediction here is first set over 8.5 goals. The next one we have is a game between Rodriguez Taverna taking on Santiago. And my prediction here is over 8.5 goals first set. Then the next one is a game between Rincon Daniel taking on Sales Gilly. And my prediction here is over 8.5 goals. Next one we have is a game between Chonsky Jan taking on Biono Gonzalo over 8.5 goals. All these games you see them in tennis ATP, and then they are all today games. So go ahead and play them. Do not forget to leave a like and then share this video with your friends. The next one we have is a game between Kruger Michel taking on Sekulik Philip, and my prediction is over 8.5 goals. I have a game between Hong Swan Chan taking on Broom Charles, and my prediction is over 8.5 goals first set. A game between Giri Laszlo taking on Sebot White Thiago over 8.5 goals. You have a game between Martinez Pedro taking on Nagas Sumit over 8.5 goal first set. A game between Diaz Acosta taking on Galan Daniel over 8.5 goals first set. The last game on this ticket is a game between Gaston Hugo taking on Cabrelli Binia, and my prediction is over 8.5 goals first set. So bet responsibly. And also, if you want to join our VIP and win daily, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Chat me up on WhatsApp and you will be added to the VIP premium. Thank you so much. And then the VIP is a pay service. It's not free, it's not pay after. Kindly make up your mind before you chat me up on WhatsApp. Thank you and stay tuned for more updates.